The aim of our experiment is to find the weight of a given body using parallelogram law of vectors. Apparatus of the experiments are hanger, slotted weights, white sheet, pencil, scale, compass, plane mirror, unknown weight. This apparatus is also known as Gravesand apparatus. Theory: if two forces acting simultaneously on a particle be represented by two adjacent sides of a parallelogram, their resultant is represented in direction as well as magnitude by the diagonal of the parallelogram, which passes through the point of intersection. In this apparatus, the extreme left weight we refer as force P and extreme right weight we refer as force Q. The center weight is the unknown weight. Center weight is the unknown weight, which is known as the balancing weight, and the opposite to the balancing weight is the resultant of both P and Q. This balancing weight balances the resultant force of P and Q. We have to set the apparatus in such a way P and Q, both the weights are in level as shown in this figure. If we increase the weight towards right, the resultant is shift also towards the right direction. Experiment first step. Firstly, we will place 50-gram weight on each of the hanger and place a white paper behind the thread. Mark a point O at the knot of the middle unknown weight. Now we will place the mirror behind the thread and mark the point with the pencil where its image is coincide. This coinciding image of the thread we have to take from the left side of the thread as well as from the right side of the thread. In this way we will trace the points of the thread with the help of plane mirror as shown on the white page. Now we will remove the paper from the board and place this paper on the table. We will join the points which we have taken on the white paper like this. Join the point like this. The meeting point we will mark as point O. After that, we will mark a point B from O such that OB is equals to 4 centimeter. Similarly, a point A from O we will consider OA is equals to 4 centimeter. For 50-gram weight, we are considering scale 2 centimeter is equals to 25-gram weight. Therefore, for 50-gram weight, we are considering 4 centimeter length. Like this. Now, with the help of compass, we will consider an arc of 4 centimeter. Taking B as center, we will make one arc of 4 centimeter. Similarly, A as center, we will mark a point of length 4 centimeter. These two arcs will meet at a point C and a parallelogram OACB is formed, in which the diagonal OC, this will represent the weight of the unknown weight at the mid of the Gravesand apparatus, and this OC when we are measuring it is equals to 5.5 centimeter. In this way we have to calculate the unknown weight in the experiment. This line OA and OB represents P and Q. Now for the given experiment, as we have considered scale 25-gram weight is equal to 2 centimeter. So here 1 centimeter is equal to 25 by 2 gram weight. So the length of diagonal, that is OC, is 5.5 centimeter. We will multiply 5.5 by into 25 by 2 and we are getting the weight of the unknown object as 68.75 gram. Now coming to the observation table, as we have seen, our P weight is 50 gram, Q is 50 gram, the length of P is OA, that is 4 centimeter, OB 4 centimeter, the diagonal length is 5.5 centimeter, hence the weight of unknown object comes out to be 68.75 gram. Similarly, we can proceed this experiment by considering 100 gram weight at point P and Q, 150 gram weight at point P and Q, and we can calculate the weight of unknown object. Then we can take the mean of the experiment. In this way, we can calculate the weight of the unknown object.